Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 2500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, ventilated front seats, engine block heater. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.